Welcome to the Postgraduate Research Training Resources, published by AGILE Research Limited. My name is Sandra Mandic, and I'm the author of these videos and the Compass Guide books for beginners and postgraduate students. These materials have been designed to help you navigate the research process smoothly and successfully complete your research project. Buckle up and enjoy the learning journey. This short video provides guidelines for putting together a research report. You have almost come to the end of your research journey. Your final step is to prepare your research report, all of your hard work to be presented as an output of your research project. By now, you have written your literature review or background, research methods, results, discussion, and conclusion sections, which will form the body of your report. To put your research report together, you will also need to prepare additional information and possibly create several other documents. Let's have a look at additional documents that are commonly found in research reports. When putting your research report together, you will need to create a title page or a cover page and table of contents. Longer research reports and reports prepared for academic purposes often also include a list of tables and figures, as well as a list of abbreviations used within the report. You will need to prepare a brief summary to be included at the start of your report. Technical research reports start with an executive summary, which is usually up to 1 page, but it could be longer. Academic reports start with a scientific abstract. For more guidance on writing scientific abstracts, check out my YouTube video, How to Write a Scientific Abstract. Research reports also include references and may include appendices. Study materials such as detailed research protocol and study surveys could be included in the appendix of your research report. If your research required ethical approval, a copy of the ethical approval, as well as study information sheets and consent forms, could be included in the appendix as well. Requirements for research report structure and format vary across sectors, institutions, and scientific disciplines. This slide will outline the generic structure for research reports. Not all sections will be required for all research reports. The first page of your report is the title page or cover page. You may be required to use a template from your institution. If there is no such requirement, get your creativity juices going and create an engaging cover page for your research report. Remember that the title page will be the first thing readers will see about your report. Make sure you make a good impression. If you're a research student who is putting together a research report or thesis, follow the requirements of your institution. You will likely have to create some institution-specific documents. You may also be asked to prepare dedication and acknowledgement sections, which represent a great opportunity to add a personal touch to your research report. Acknowledgement sections should also acknowledge funding sources and support for research. Tables of contents and lists of abbreviations, tables, and figures help a reader navigate a research report. Abstract or an executive summary is placed at the start of the main part of the report. Academic theses and dissertations often have a brief introduction section before the main body of the research report. In other types of research reports, such information is included at the start of the background section. Literature review or background, research methods, results, discussion, and conclusion sections comprise the body of the research report. References should be listed at the end of the report. If your report has appendices, include them after the reference list. The structure presented on this slide will ensure that the information in your research report is presented in a logical order. Here are several tips for putting together your research report. Know the requirements for preparing the research report that you're working on and follow them. If you're a research student, familiarize yourself with the research report structure and formatting requirements for your degree at your institution. Follow those guidelines closely. Some institutions may have a thesis template that needs to be used. Putting your research report together, creating additional required documents and formatting it will likely take longer than you expect, especially when you're doing it for the first time. Start well in advance and allow sufficient time for those tasks. Finally, as you're putting your research story together, reflect on how much you have learned about your research topic and the research process along the way, and be proud of yourself. For more guidance, refer to the Compass Guide research training books for beginners and postgraduate students. Both books are available for purchase on AGILE Research website. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it with others. Check also my other videos on YouTube channel Compass Guide Research Training and sign up for AGILE Research newsletter to receive our updates. Happy learning!